Hey loves, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you guys can see, I got freshly washed hair. Today I'm gonna be trying out a new tool. This tool had came out probably like 2 years ago. I could be wrong, maybe more or less, but I'm finally getting my hands on this product, and it's from Ulta, and it's the Revlon, what you call it again? Okay, it's this Revlon power dryer. So what this do is it blow dries your hair, and it got a comb on it. It's giving me salon, like, you know, when you go to the salon and they give you a silk press, they use something like this. So yeah, it's saying Revlon new and improved, proven to deliver 22% more shine. I need some shine. I don't want to dry hair. And if you guys are hearing like rain falling in the background in cars, because I'm like really close to my window, so you're gonna hear like some outside noise, excuse me. But yeah, so I'm gonna try this out today for you guys and give it a review. It's saying max dry and power, one step, dry and volume, dries and volumes in one step, salon blowouts up to half the time, so that's good. 36% less breakage, and yeah, I'm here for it because sis, I got a little bit of heat damage right here from the last time I had leave out, so I'm not playing today. I know my hair is like really easy to get heat damage. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's the texture, but I know people who got my hair type don't get heat damage that easily. But yeah, so what I'm gonna use is a heat protectant, and this is, it's a flat iron protector, but heat is going in my hair, so it's gonna do the job. So I'm gonna use this one. So what I'm gonna do is section out my hair. So I'm gonna work in sections. So I'm gonna put this aside. And yes, sis, my hair is like, we got inches now, okay? If you guys go, you guys saw I did my big chop before. Yeah, I'm just gonna open this. Yeah, I'm doing an unboxing too because I haven't even opened it to test it out myself. I just went to the store one day and was like, I need an easy way to blow dry my hair, and I thought about this, and I used to see it a lot back then, but back then I was big on no heat at all in my hair. But now I'm pretty like open to doing anything with my hair that is gonna be less time consuming. So when I open it, ooh. Okay guys, so I opened it and it had like a plastic. I'm about to take this right out. Bam. I'm gonna plug this in, and it's just like a blow dryer though. I'm gonna plug this in and see. I plugged it in, and just gonna show you guys. It's pink and it's so pretty. It got Revlon right here. It's like a comb with like spikes. Yeah, so how you put it on, I think you gotta turn it. Yeah, honestly, I would have wished this didn't make noise. Like, oh my god, it's so loud. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna section out my hair real quick some more. And okay guys, so I'm gonna use this small section. I'm also gonna use this heat protector in my hair because I really don't want any heat damage whatsoever. I'm just gonna spritz just a little bit and rub it in my hair, and after that I'm gonna get into it. So like I said, my hair is freshly washed. It's a little bit dry, not that dry. I was kind of air drying it. It still feels like damp. So yeah, I'm working on wet, not wet hair, but damp hair. So this is how you use it. You turn it on like this. Oh look, behind here it got off, cool, low, and high. I'm gonna use it on high. It doesn't make that much noise though. Okay, that was like 2 combs out. And it's dry already, literally. I never used one of these things before. It's my first time. So if I'm holding it kind of awkward, excuse me until I'm getting into it. Oh my god. Okay guys, this just blew my mind. This is amazing. That was like less than a minute and the ends of my hair is basically straight already. What the hell? Yeah, it's basically straight already. Only the root. It's my first time using something like this, and it's like I feel like it's really big for my little hands. That's why I feel like really awkward turning it, but it really straightens my hair in less than a minute. Let me come up so you guys could see. Wow, I love this thing already. That was less than a minute for real. My hair feels really soft, and the only thing is I didn't get the roots exactly. That's why my roots look really puffy, and I feel like I don't know if it's because it's too big, but like when I come really close, I'm scared I burn myself. But the heat is not even that hot, but it's doing its thing. This is really impressive to me. All right, let me just keep going. All right guys, so my hair is straight completely right now. No blow dry, no flat iron, and my hair is straight. I swear to God, my hair is straight. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. This is about to be my best friend. So the first time I used it just now for this section, at the beginning I wasn't using it on high. I was actually using it on low. I'm so sorry. So now for this section I'm only gonna use it on high, and let's see how long it takes literally to get it straight like this. Just now it was on low, so I was like 5 combs out and it's straight already, but that's not true. It was not on high. So I'm gonna use this section on high only to see how straight it will get in a minute. So I'm gonna have my phone. So guys, I'm gonna put my timer on for like, and see, just see how long it will get this section straight for. This is so cool. I love this. I don't know, but my hair is like straight for real. All right, I'm gonna just start the timer and do it. And we're gonna use this section, Maybe this is too big. Half of this. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm gonna turn it on high. So it's literally been a minute and it's straight. It's just the roots that is not as straight as the ends. I feel like it's so big I can't like really have it to my roots. Ow, completely. Oh, I just got burned. Please don't touch here. I just got burned. My god. But yeah, it's been a minute and my hair is straight. Oh my god, I love this. So this is really not time consuming. Like the box said, it will salon blue out up to half the time. Yeah, seriously, I've only been sitting here for less than 5 minutes and half my hair is like completely straight already. I love this. I would advise anybody who be using a blow dryer and a brush to cut it out, get something like this. Pretty sure this is from Revlon, but I'm pretty sure it have other brands that do the same thing. But yeah, look, my hair is completely straight. I'm saying it don't have the roots completely straight the way it got my ends, but it's no knots. It's still like, yeah, this is amazing. So I'm just gonna keep going and you guys could just watch. Oh, and just now I forgot to use my heat protector on this side. Pray for me. A moment, please. Pray for me. Another minute down and I'm almost done already. Wow, this is really amazing. For a blow dryer, this is bomb.com, because like I could blow dry my hair with a regular blow dryer and a comb. It would take me a good minute to get my hair this straight. And I know I probably look weird using this, but it's like really big. Like it's kind of hurting my hand. That's the only thing. And I'm a pro probably watching me right now like, girl, why you turning it like that? I probably look awkward, but it's like, it's kind of hard for me. It's my first time using something like this for real. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Let me don't forget to use this. It says, when I'm ready for my curls back, I need it to bounce back all the way, okay? Yeah. Damn. Should this be my thumbnail? So this is my last piece, and this did not even take me 10 minutes to do. This is crazy. I'm about to give you guys a 360 now. Take a look. So my hair got no products in it whatsoever, and I really do see a shine. It's not just dry looking, and it feels really soft and beautiful. I really love that. My honest review about this thing is that is bomb. I would recommend this. I would use this over a blow dryer any day. I mean, it is a blow dryer, but you know what I mean, like a regular blow dryer. I'm about to throw my blow dryer out, you hear me? Just kidding. But nah, for real, this really is amazing. That was less than 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, my hair is like completely blown out, and it's straight, not bone straight, because obviously it's not a flat iron, but sis, as you can see, no knots in less than 10 minutes. This just did its thing. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm about to do with my hair next, but I'm about to do some type of style with it. I'm about to make a video doing that too, in a separate video, so stay tuned to see what I transform this blown out hair to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.